Good morning, everyone. I have a real special treat here. Beautiful 1977 Pontiac Trans Am. Second owner car. The owner owned it for most of its life. He bought it when it was a year old. A lot of good memories in it. Brought it to us a couple of years ago. Rustiest car. One of the rustiest cars I've ever seen. We did a restoration, complete restoration on the rotisserie, every single body panel on it, roof, rebuilt the engine, transmission, rear differential, added some performance goodies like fuel injection and a RideTech coil over suspension setup. It just turned out really nice. Did a lot of nice little modern conveniences, upgraded the wheels to a modern version of the old Trans Am wheels. Fresh paint, original Brentwood brown. It's what the client wanted. It's really, really nice car. It came out just spectacular. I just got done driving it. One of the most fun cars I've driven in quite a while. It's the original 400 engine. We did a nice interior upgrade with TMI seats, matching carpet and dash, Dakota Digital gauges, retro stereo. Just came out really, really nice. Very happy with how it turned out. Show you under the hood here. We kept the original shaker scoop and trimmed out the back of it so it could actually get a little air into it. We rebuilt the original 400 engine and added Edelbrock fuel injection, which you can see. That took a significant amount of fabrication work to get that air cleaner and that shaker back on there, but it just turned out beautiful and it lines up with the hood perfectly. New air conditioning, a serpentine belt setup, headers, aluminum radiator fan, cooling system upgrade. It runs cool as a cucumber. Stops real nice with the Wilwood disc brakes all the way around. Kind of hard to see, but you can see the red calipers through there. Just a real beauty. I'm really gonna miss this one. Customer's coming to pick it up soon, and I hope you enjoyed.